Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for being here. My name is Diego Rodriguez. I'm the growth manager at Korea. And yeah, Happy New Year. This is our first episode into 2022. And today we have an amazing episode with such a great tool that we are developing here in Korea. So yeah, I'm going to introduce the team that is joining me today for this episode. Uh, Here it is, the team. Here is Deep, the leader of the team. Also, Chisel. Hello, guys. Uh,
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Diego. Happy New Year
Happy.
to you.
Thank you. Thank
Hello,
you. Happy New
Diego.
Year for you. Uh, I hope you are having a great time there. How's everything over there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
doing well.
yes, we are doing great.
Okay, happy to hear that. Yeah, I'm amazed. I'm thrilled to be here with you guys and hear from you also about the Korea connector. And first of all, Deep, why don't you tell who are you and maybe also introduce your team?
Sure. Hello, everyone. I'm Deep. Actually, I'm the project manager of Syncoria Connector. That's the platform we are going to discuss today. And I have my team with me. This is Riel. Riel is the senior software engineer who is working on the Odoo part of Syncoria Connector. And here is Chisti. Chisti is the software engineer who is working on the Syncoria Connector API integration part.
Okay, great. Um, so let's start right into the Syncoria connector. And I know a little bit about it, but in general, the idea is for you guys to explain it. So what is the Syncoria connector? I mean, I know it's for connecting Odoo with something else, but why don't you explain a little bit more about it?
Yeah, actually, Syncoria Connector is a fun platform for Odoo because Odoo, as you know, that Odoo is a ERP system, and for every ERP system, it actually required to connect with other platforms and or other services. So Syncoria Connector is targeting actually. It is an integration platform that actually connects Odoo with other services like various delivery services, payment services, or marketplaces.
Okay.
So that's the basic concept of Synchro Connector.
Okay, that sounds very interesting because it is connecting with anything.
Connecting with various types of different services like as I mentioned that delivery services like there might be delivery related with the Odoo ERP, and if we connect our deliveries Odoo deliveries with different delivery providers like Canada Post, Purelator, FedEx, or others delivery provider, or if there is payment options in Odoo ERP, if we connect our payment services with various payment gateways like Monaris, Purelator, Bambora, other payment services like that, and various marketplaces like WooCommerce, Amazon, Magento, Shopify. So those are our targets to have different types of services connected with Odoo. And it's our main target is to make the connections easy, very easy for any user, even for a non-technical user, to manage those connections and get proper reports and actually have his demand done without any kind of pain or any kind of technical support. That's our goal.
Great, great. And that means that if someone has Odoo, usually they connect with maybe the payment system, they have a different connection for the courier manager or the delivery, and or
Yeah,
therefore maybe they have an e-commerce outside Odoo, they have
yeah,
a different connection with that. So the idea is to make in one single app easy for connect with all these services, right?
Yes. Normally, what happens for Odoo that people actually buy or use different apps for every different type of services. So our objective is to bring all those connection services in a single app for Odoo. So
Great.
actually, the user who is going to use maintain those connections through Syncuria connector, it will be a easy life for him because he just need to maintain one app. Where
Yeah, yeah.
currently user needs to maintain different types of apps for different types of services, but here we are bringing those all together.
That is so cool. Uh, but and what is the uh, for example, like the impact of this kind of connection uh, in general in the industry, in the IT industry? I mean, it is going to be, because for me it's mind blowing. I mean, it is so amazing to have something like that. I assume that it's going to be some kind of impact or the of the on the IT industry or in general on the yeah, in the industry, software development and on those kind of things.
Yeah, the impact is kind of big actually because when you are actually connecting different type of services from a single platform, it actually makes the user's life easy. And also, Syncuria Connector actually gives you different type of reports in there, and also we are actually bringing some sales reports in Syncuria Connector, and also here we can actually manage error safe. I mean, if there is any error in collection or anything for any API connection, he can actually retry. So it is a whole package of making things easy for any user. So I think the impact for any business or who are actually using Odoo, for him it is a very impactful. It will be a very impactful platform for making his managing his business a lot easy way, and maintaining his different type of services and everything from a single platform that will make his life easy, quite easy.
Sure, sure, sure. And well, I knew or I hear that there could be some other connectors on the Odoo apps market, right? I mean, there are a different connectors, and well, I didn't know about any of those to be this complete. But if someone is watching this or listening to this episode, uh, what would you say when they say, well, but there's already another connector in the market? I mean, what will be the difference for this? And feel free to jump in, Chisty or Real, or of course Dimitri. You guys look like, I,
Yeah,
yeah,
uh,
share your experience or
as,
your opinions.
yeah, as our lead said already many things. So describe many things. The basic of Syncuria connector. Uh, as a developer, the main challenge is to maintain API integrations. For any developer or on the Odoo side, different app like Letter or Canada Post have different type of API integrations or anything else. So for technical person, for technical or and in for non-technical, it's bit fuzzy or very difficult for maintaining those. But with Syncuria connector, we can maintain in one app. So non-technical person who will purchase or subscribe in our connector, they don't need to think about anything else about the maintaining of the code or API integration. Uh, Simply they need to log into our Syncora connector, register, and select from the services like delivery, uh, or let's say that the Perulator or Canada Post, and they will select the service, give credentials. So that's it. We'll give a access key. He will put that access key in their Odoo site. So that's all. So no need to dependent on developer anymore. All
Right.
the hassles will be taken by us. So any non-technical person will be can set up this. They will just fetch the services and ready to go. That's it. So in industry impact is there are many connector in the Odoo apps. We can see
Mhm.
that, but they are limited for some services. But our plan is bigger than that. We will integrate already integrated, not integrate, we already integrated delivery services, we already integrated marketplace services, we already integrated working on that payment services with much better security. We integrated analytical reports both for Odoo, both for API integration related analytical service. We can manage many features from there. No need to go to the Odoo site for any problem. We'll see the problem from our Syncora site, Syncora account. We can fix it from there. So everything is just like uh, click, plug and play, and click to solve. That's it. So no
That's
need to
so
worry
cool.
about developers, the maintaining or the hassle or the fuzziness, how we can integrate with them, uh, that's the service, how we integrate that service. And our plan is that we integrate more and more. So customer or the client don't need to have wait for any services. Periodically all the services or newly added services will be added and updated automatically. They didn't need
Okay.
to hassle anything, just choose between services and that's it.
I
And
want to
just
say,
just need to update their one app in Odoo,
Yeah,
and that's
that's the biggest power. So, with one app, they don't need to maintain all things in Odoo. All rely on our Syncora connector.
so this basically gives a very good user experience. So
Yeah.
user will be very happy using it, and this will basically be a one-stop solution. Like you will have everything. You just select what you want, and no much, not very much configurations. You do it in a simple way. So that's the basically the idea for Syncure connector. Uh, that's it
Oh,
basically.
yeah. I understand that. Well, there is a lot of apps, and one app really big with only one connection with only one marketplace. It
Yeah.
could be around $500, 600 US dollars. I mean, this sounds so amazing that I'm thinking this going to be like, I don't know, one kidney, or I don't know what. Is there is that it sounds so cool that at the same time I think it should be really expensive. But I know from a secret source that the model is going to be more like a SaaS, like a subscription, which is
Yeah.
even more amazing. Can you elaborate a little bit more how this model like a subscription, or how, I don't know, just.
yeah, sure. The model will be pretty simple because there are actually one model, but because there are different type of services. Like the user actually choose the services. Our price model will be the services he choose. Price will be calculated by that those services. If you choose one services, his price will be different, and it's a monthly or yearly subscription based system. So totally, and also we are going to dedicate him a instance for his own use. So everything, his reporting and everything will be much faster, and everything will be much better for him. So it's
Okay.
a simple subscription based system. Yeah, for SaaS.
Okay, okay. And I understand that there is of course each user has his own Odoo, uh, and it's going to have also like our platform, I mean the Syncoria connector dashboard or platform where he selects the connections, or I don't know how that's going to be.
Yeah, everything actually, we are actually offering a dashboard for the user in Syncuria connector for him, his personalized dashboard, where he can actually see all the services he's using, how many API calls he's doing every day or every month, his
Okay,
all
okay.
those reports, analytical reports, and also sales reports from his Odoo instance and other reports. Here he can different graphs and everything to see his different type of reports and take decisions like which service he needs to continue or which service he can actually off for next subscription period or anything like that. So everything will be much simpler for him in our dashboard, Syncuria connector dashboard. His Odoo is totally different. We just connecting with his Odoo, and from his Odoo data, we are connecting with different services. So he can actually have a personal dashboard in our Syncuria connector. So from there, he can actually see different reports, actually any error reports. If there is any error reports, he can actually retry. So everything is will be much simpler for him.
Yeah, I also want to add with the byte that every error or the payment reminder will be gone by emails. So no need to worry about checking the connector every day. The reminder will
Okay,
be gone by email also.
okay. And the idea is to connect with a lot of different platforms, and we already have some integrations ready. uh, can you say what are the current integrations like that are like, ready to work right now?
Real, can you explain those?
So regarding the Odoo integrations part, like currently we have divided the parts into three parts. Basically, there are market integration, delivery integration, and the payment gateway integration.
Okay,
So for the marketplace integration, we have connected Shopify, Magento, and we are also working on Channel Advisor, eBay, and Amazon. And for the delivery, yeah. So for the delivery part, we have the Pure shipping, then Pure freight, and also Canada Post integrations for the Odoo side. And for payment gateway, we are currently working for Monash checkout and Bambura checkout. So normally what happens, like in the current scenario after the COVID started, so the e-commerce platform has grown, and also the Shopify and Magento, these platforms has grown, and people are more moving into these parts. So what our Syncuria connector will be a single solution where you have the full chain of marketplace, also the delivery part. So basically it will start from the customer, it will go through the vendor, and it will again reach the customer. So it will be a full satisfaction in terms of the service. Uh, so
okay, okay. Right. And how long does it take for to deploy one new connection? So tomorrow one client says like, okay, I'm already working with I don't know, Salesforce or maybe uh, what is the other
Yeah,
one? No, Zapier, HubSpot. I don't know, different platforms that they
yeah.
want to keep because, and we don't have that connection at this moment. But how long does it take for them? Not for them. I mean, for us to develop that kind of new integration.
Yeah, the way we actually design our structure for Synchro connector, it won't take much time to add a new service or new connection into that platform. Uh, Actually, it might varies based on different type of functionalities of different services, but normally it will take not more than 1 to 2 weeks for any type of connections.
1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah,
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 for a new
Wow,
service.
that is really fast because if we are talking connecting Odoo with something that is totally new, is uh, that is amazing. And what are the apps or the integrations that you are planning in the future? Uh, I don't know, in the couple months coming.
Yeah, actually, we are planning to enrich our service library. Like we like to add FedEx and other global delivery services in our
Delivery.
Synchrony connector. Yeah, and also different type of payment gateways in our Synchrony connector and marketplace, different type of marketplace. As Real said, that we are currently working on Amazon, eBay, and General Advisor. So we are going to connect those. And also, we in future we have plans to add various communication services like WhatsApp, Slack, those types of also
Oh,
in
okay.
Manager.
yeah. We also plan the hub for analytical like Tableau by. So we are also planning that.
Analytical
Everything.
service. Yeah.
We are taking the world.
Yeah, but our structure is so much module based, like module based. So whatever we're gonna do not affect with other services. So many developer we work on many different projects. We will just code it, integrate it, and push it. That's it.
Okay. Okay, no, that is really really amazing, guys. Congratulations for that work because you are
Yeah.
doing such an amazing project. At this moment, I understand that is not fully available or it's about to get available. When if someone says, okay, I already need this thing, when they're able to subscribe to this uh,
Yeah,
solution.
we have a primary plan to have our first version released on February, maybe mid-February or something like that.
Okay.
Uh, but yeah, on that time, our first version will be available for public to subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that is really cool. And right now, because we are already, what is today, 11 of January, so it is like a month or so. So yeah, yeah, that is so amazing. Well, in general, thank you so much for your time and your sharing this project. I want to bring the Odoo calculator uh, for anyone who is not using Odoo, or maybe they know about Odoo, but it's not like what the hell is that. So the Odoo calculator is a solution that we developed at Korea, where anyone can go and select, okay, I'm going to use, or I want to use Odoo for my CRM, for following up with sales, with inventory, or not these modules, maybe a different ones like manufacturing or I don't know, HR. So any kind of modules that that you want, you can go to odoo-calculator.com and you can select the modules you want and the number of users you are planning to use the software. I mean, the how many users for the solution. And this tool is going to give you automatically in less than 5 minutes uh, an estimation of how long does it take to implement Odoo like with those characteristics, and also how much is going to cost to implement something like that. So it is an amazing tool because we know that when a small medium company has some requirements or are considering Odoo, there are tons of doubts or maybe questions. What should I do? Should I include this or not? How long? How much is going to cost? So there are so many questions that the idea is that this tool answer to those questions at the first step. Of course, after that, we're going to help you to design the real or the actual solution. But this is like the first step for anyone who wants to explore this Odoo world. And later they will find out that they will need the Syncoria connector and but no, yeah, it sounds like a joke, but I think it could be true that later they will find like, okay, I need to connect this with the other, etc., etc. So yeah, I just want to mention that. Also, our website, if you want to know more about us, we are Syncoria, an Odoo partner located in Toronto, Canada, uh, with ton of apps and solutions and experience on different industries. So if you want to check out our website, it's syncoria.com. It is syncoria.com. So, okay. Uh, Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your time. And again, congratulations on this job. Uh, yeah, I hope to see you around.
Thank you, Diego. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye, Diego.